So the airport we're going to, boys, is off to our right and ahead on the furthest dark head sticking out into the water.
Oh yeah?
That'll be left side for you guys.
Did I say right?
Yes, you did.
Mate, I'm a pilot, I don't need to know left and right. Yeah, what do you reckon that wind's doing? We're going straight into it.
Looks like it,
I'd say.
yeah.
So it'd be straight across.
Tooradin traffic, Jaguar 5228 is approximately 5 miles nautical miles to the south at 1,500 feet inbound. Tooradin.
Jamboree calling inbound to Tooradin. Could you give me your position again? This is Lima Sierra Papa. I'm 5 miles to the west at 1,500.
5228 is 5 miles south of Tooradin inbound.
So do you know which runway you want to use?
We'll be using 04.
Okay, no worries. Oh, if it's 04, let's do the same. We'll do an upwind join. So we're just going to fly straight over the top of the runway, boys.
Okay.
Oh. It's the right runway to use, but just by a few degrees by the look of it.
Yeah. Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, joining upwind, runway 04, Tooradin.
And Tooradin traffic, Jaguar 5228 is turning base runway 04, Tooradin.
Actually, yeah, no, it is the right direction.
We'll get a good look at him.
Yeah.
We'll be going downwind when he's trying to meet the pavement.
Tooradin traffic, Jaguar 5228 is turning final, runway 04 for a full stop. Tooradin.
Okay, come around. .45 degrees behind me, power back. Speed comes back. Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, turning base, runway 04, Tooradin. 2 stages of flap and turn. .800, 80 knots. Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa, turning final, runway 04, Tooradin. That'll be right. 600.
Tooradin traffic, Jaguar 5228 is turning downwind, runway 04, Tooradin.
knots. 400. Final stage. Wasn't too bad, mate.
Very nice.
Nice bit of crosswind.
Pretty consistent though, was it? Felt just like it.
No, and it wasn't as heavy.
Wasn't chopping up like the other day.
Not going to get that. Go down the end.
That's what you call a good landing, boys.
Flaps up. I haven't heard that guy turn final yet. The Jabiru.
No.
There was plenty of crosswind though.
Good, well
Tooradin
done.
traffic, Jaguar 6228 is turning base, runway 04.
Yeah,
Made it look easy, mate.
Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa is clear of all runways. Tooradin.